Hey guys, welcome back to another Pokemon video. I'm going to be reviewing Transformers Prime's Ratchet. He's a pickup from TFCon, and don't forget to check that video out. And let's get into it. So he is a very nice ambulance, and it's with very cool detailing. On the side, his colors are red and white, with a bit of blue clear plastic as the windshield and windows. His weapons are on the front. They are silver gray rubber. Let's get to the transformation. To start the transformation off, you're going to want to remove these side panels on each side. To make sure that nothing gets caught and nothing stays tapped in. And now you're going to want to remove the daggers from the front. Then we're going to want to bring the legs out. And also make sure to untap the front. Bring the side panels where the legs are going to be and untap those from the sides. Next, you're going to want to bring the leg out along with the panels to reveal the leg. Next, you're going to rotate the wheel to form the feet. Flip out the heel and flip out the toe. Make sure that these panels collapse into the ankle area to form the legs. Next, stand him up, grab the arms, and bring them outwards so that they're facing the chest. Next, you're going to want to rotate the hands out, bring the flaps that you unveiled earlier down, and then that'll form the arm. Do the same on the other side. Next is this headpiece above the head. You're going to want to remove it, and that will cause a spring load to pop the head up for you. So this Ratchet figure has the red and white on him, usual colors for an ambulance. And then we've got a bit of blue in the chest here. But overall, that's really all the coloration on this figure. A bit of a gray going on, which is really nice to see. Yeah, and the silver on the ankle area. Yeah, to represent the bumpers. Let's flip him to the back. And all you really see is a silver on his back plate and white. All the ambulance detailing is on the bottom or on the side, so you can't really see it. But overall, an amazing figure. And now I'm going to go over his accessories. Comes with two rubbery daggers that overall look neat. They have a gray color to them, and they're made out of rubber. Very flexible rubber. I'm going to give him his weapons now. Open up the arm, rotate the hand halfway in it so that you can plug these into it still, and that will be the weapons for Ratchet right now. There we go. Now he is holding his weapons, and it looks very awesome. Leave a comment down below on what you think, and also Tell me whether you want to see a Jetfire and Optimus video or a Sideswipe video. And don't forget to hit that like button and ratchet the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.